So hi guys, let me teach you how to blur an image or background using Photopea. So we actually know Photopea is just like a Photoshop version of mobile. So here's my Photopea. You can head over to your browser and then click on photopea.com. So you can see the interface here. So I will just click on Open from computer. So it will direct me to my file gallery where I will head over and then uh, click on the background that I want to use. So let's say I'm going to use this background. So you can actually see it's loading. It depends on the speed of your internet actually. So you can see the background here. So I will just head over to this filter here at the top. Here where you see filter here. So I head over to filter. You can see where you see blur here. So you can see the type of blur that you can actually use. So most of the times, even in Photoshop, we usually use Gaussian blur. This Gaussian blur. So I will just click on it. So in here, you can see the radius that you can select from here. So you can actually select the preset of the radius you want. So let's take an example. I will just drag on it here. You can actually see it's actually fading, it's actually blowing. So you can see the percentage, the pixel size of the block that you applied. So that is it, and then you can reset it from here. You can reset OK here. So let's say this is our design here, and so let's say this is the blur type that I actually want. I will click on OK, and then I will go to my file here at the top. I will click on here export as. So you can see exports as JPG. So I will actually click on JPG because PNG is actually transparent type. So I click on JPG and then save my work. So for, you see it has been downloaded. So for icons, let me just click it again so that we can redo it. So for icons, or maybe, yeah, icons, let's just click on repeat the process. It's just the same process. Let's see, this is the icon here. So I'm going to blur it up. So here's it. You can see it's actually transparent. I actually removed the background of the icon here. So as usual, I will go to filter. Um, where's my blur? See blur here, Gaussian blur, and then I will just reset it. You see, automatically, it usually resets 7.2 pixels. So it depends on how you want it actually. You can blur it to the intensity that you actually want. So let's say I need it like this. I'll click on OK, and then I will go to file here. I will go to export as, and then I will export it as PNG since this one is not like a background. This one is just an icon, so maybe probably I may use it without a background on my design. So I will export it as PNG. So you can actually see the format is in PNG. I will click on save here. So it's actually downloading. It's actually, so it's it has been downloaded actually. So I can go to, let's say I go to Pixel Lab. Let me just show you the difference. Yep. So let's say I go to Pixel Lab. So you can actually see this background that we actually faded, and then let me import the other one, which is the icon. Sorry. Yeah, which is the icon. You can actually see how blurred it is. So you can actually compare it with the original one. So I don't have to do so actually. You can actually compare it with the original one. So this is just how to blur your image or icon using Photopea. It's just an easy process. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. See you on the next tutorial.